What's your name?
Patrick.
What's your job title?
Consultant.
What do you do at your work?
I do Salesforce.com implementations, so my responsibilities are to go into a new client, capture requirements on what they want to do in Salesforce.com, write those down, meet with them again to say this is what we understand the requirements to be, and they say yes or no. And then I design the solution, and then I build the solution, and I build it iteratively, which means that I'll build it in chunks and then show it back to the client so that they can approve it or correct it before it gets too deep into the design and development. And then after that, after it's all done, then I guide the client through user acceptance testing, and then they sign off on it, and then I do training, user training, and then after user training, it moves into production.
How do you use statistics in your everyday work?
There's report builders in Salesforce that do analysis on the data that they're collecting related to their business processes. And so we can run reports that do a statistical analysis on, say, the number of leads, or what sources a lead was generated from, or what sources that lead was generated from that resulted in an opportunity, the length of time an opportunity is in the pipeline. And it helps companies to understand where they're being effective and where they're being ineffective so that they can adjust course in order to capture more sales from those sources that are more effective. That's using statistics and reports in order to help them with their business.
What was your exposure to statistics before this job?
In college, I took a stats class, which I didn't do very well in. I think I got a B-.